Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix cursor not showing in Windows 11, 10. Press Windows button, type Device Manager, press Enter key. Press Tab key to select PC name. Press down arrow key to down the cursor. Press right arrow key. Down arrow key to select your mouse. Press Shift and F10 keys. Down arrow key. Press Enter key. Down arrow key. Press Enter key. Press Tab key. Press Enter key. Press Tab key. Press Enter key. Press Enter key. Press Enter key. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.